All right. So speaking of drugs, marijuana, recreational marijuana, is legal in Michigan as of December 6th. But there are restrictions. You can't just walk down the street smoking marijuana. You can't drive in your car smoking marijuana. You can't just sit on your front porch smoking weed, things like that, and think that there are no restrictions. Okay? So, Channel 7 WXYZ, the day before this law went into effect on December 6th, they had some helpful hints for you so you don't get caught up. Okay? Let's take a listen to this. Okay, we'll go to we'll get that up in just a second here. 7 last-minute things you need to know. Clip 3. 7 last-minute things you need to know about recreational marijuana in Michigan. All right, and then there was also a good article from Detroit News as well. Prohibition ends, pot now legal in Michigan. Prohibition ends, pot now legal in Michigan. Let's go to the clip from Channel 7 WXYZ.
It's a commercial.
Okay, we'll go to that in just a second here. All right.
Left on a commercial.
Okay, we'll go to that in just a minute here. And then also they talk about how it's only for people 21 and older. Okay, let's go to this clip. No, I can't hear it.
Is on.
Okay, turn it up here.
Recreational marijuana will be legal right here in Michigan.
Tonight, 7 Action News reporter Alan Campbell takes a look at the 7 things you need to know before the clock strikes midnight.
Michigan is going green. Green like marijuana after voters said yes to Prop 1 legalizing pot. So we're going over some last-minute things you need to know before you toke up.
It's definitely an exciting thing.
Soon, many people will be lighting up, hitting the bong and getting high. But before you do, here are 7 things you need to know beforehand. 1. The only way you can get marijuana right now, at least, is if someone gives it to you as a gift. But you can still grow your own plants.
The only way that you're going to be able to receive marijuana is through someone who's growing marijuana.
2. Don't give up your medical card. It could save you some tax.
It's still advantageous to have a medical marijuana card, mostly because of the taxation purposes. You'll be taxed less, as well as the separation of products.
3. You can only smoke inside your house, not on your front porch. However, on your back porch is fine, according to attorney Barton Morris with the Cannabis Legal Group. 4. You can drive with weed in your car, no more than 2.5.
Okay, we're going to pause it right there. We're coming up on a break. You listen to the African History Network show, 9:10 a.m. Superstation. I'm Michael Imhotep. We'll be back in a few minutes. Welcome back to the African History Network show right here on 9:10 a.m. the Superstation, the Future Radio. Hey, I'm your host, Brother Michael Imhotep. It is Sunday, December 9th, 2018. Here's a question. Why are Lansing officials trying to take away local control of zoning ordinances? Why are they trying to allow our precious cities to turn into possible wastelands and contaminated environments? It's time for us to tell the guys in Lansing to stay in their lane. We know what happens when the state when the state takes control of local power. They win and we lose. Enough is enough. Lansing, stop being greedy. Paid for by Kevin Adele, a concerned citizen. All right, let's go back to this clip from WXYZ Channel 7. This is talking about marijuana recreational marijuana being made legal in the state of Michigan on December 6th, and some of the restrictions, what you can do, what you cannot do. Let's go back to this clip.
It's illegal to smoke and drive. 5. You must be 21 years or older to smoke marijuana, and you can't smoke weed in public places. If you get caught, you can face a fine. 6. You can grow up to 12 plants inside your home. Whatever you grow on those plants is all yours. Anything over 2.5 ounces inside your house needs to be locked up.
For recreational, you can have a maximum of 10 ounces in your house, but it does have to, still be locked up and still be stored away.
7. Finally, remember, even though weed is legal, your employer can still fire you for getting high. Employers have the right to say no to smoking pot. So again, marijuana will be legal in Michigan. If you do have any questions or concerns, you can go to our website, WXYZ.com, and check out some of previous stories. Reporting in Detroit, I'm Alan Campbell, 7 Action News.
Okay. All right, so that is to help you out so you don't get caught up. And number 4 was you can drive with marijuana in your car, no more than 2.5 ounces. Just remember, it's illegal to smoke and drive. So you can't, you can't be driving down the street smoking endo, sipping on gin and juice. All that's illegal, okay? You can have marijuana in your car, no more than 2.5 ounces, but it's illegal to smoke and drive. So there's a lot of misconceptions. A lot of people thought you could just be driving around smoking weed. No, no, you can't do that, okay? Check this out at WXYZ.com. 7 last-minute things you need to know about recreational marijuana in Michigan. This is from, this was updated December 6, 2018. They have a lot of other clips that I checked out from WXYZ on their YouTube channel as well. Really helpful dealing with understanding the marijuana law. And also it's important to understand, you need to be 21 or older, people. You can't be 15 smoking marijuana telling the cop it's legal now. No, no. No, you're going to need an attorney. Okay? It's illegal. You have to be 21 or older. And the other thing that's really important, right? You can't just like set up shop trying to sell it. You can't sell it right now. You can only give it away. You can grow it. There are restrictions on growing it, but you can't sell it either. Okay?